The social engineer has now put in a lot of work to establish the authenticity of what it is he's telling me. Now that he feels I'm sufficiently invested in the fact that my computer has problems, he can start to work towards creating a debt. Now in this case, he wants me to feel as though I owe him something. And in order to do that, he needs to give me something of value, or at least of perceived value. Watch now as he fabricates a story to convince me that he's just given me something worth paying for. It says I need to enter a 6-digit code. Should I do that?
No. Do you have any 6-digit code with you?
I don't know. What's the code for? Where do I get it from?
Okay. We just do one thing. If you have the warranty code in the computer, it will automatically connect it to our engineer. Just do a double left. Just click on that, connect to technician.
Okay. It says please enter a valid private code.
Okay, please enter a valid private code, right?
Yeah.
Just confirm that. As you told me earlier that you are using this computer for long 5 years, right?
Yeah.
So I will let you know why it's asking for the 6-digit code, okay?
Yeah.
This 6-digit code is the software warranty key guard for your computer, okay? As this 6-digit code is expired from the computer, that's why your computer is facing a lot of problem, because this software warranty key guard is the key guard will protect all the software from being corrupted, okay? As there is no software key guard present in the computer, the software part is not functioning properly in the computer, okay? So as you are using this computer for long 5 years and you are the user of Windows operating system and you are using Windows 7 in this computer, I will provide you the code, okay?
Social engineering often relies on fabricating a story. In a case like this, it's just an outright lie. This 6-digit code is the software loyalty key for your computer. It's no such thing. In fact, all it is a code which allows him to use a different remote control software product so that he can gain persistent control over my machine, not just once off, as we saw earlier on with the previous product. So what we just saw really serves two purposes. He's creating a debt because he's about to give me a software loyalty key, and he's also using it to further fabricate the story. Let's see what he does next. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah, beauty. Give me the...
Make sure once I give you the code, don't share this code with anybody else because this code is highly confidential code for you and for your computer, okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
Go for it.
Just confirm me how, I will let you know why is it asking for the 6-digit code to enter, okay? When you purchase this computer, you have got two types of warranty code in the computer. One is the software and another is the hardware, okay? The software warranty is long for 4 years and the hardware warranty is long for 5 years, okay? As the software warranty expires from the computer, that's where your computer is facing problems, okay?
These expiry periods for software and hardware are purely fabricated. Again, it's all part of the charade. Now remember why that charade is there. It's in order to create debt. He now needs to do something for me, which I perceive to be of value, and will consequently allow him to monetize the scam later on. Let's see what it is he wants to do for me.
So I will ask the technical department to get the code under your name, okay? Just confirm me how you spell your last name so I can generate the code under your last name, okay? Because this code is confidential code for you, okay? And this code is highly confidential for you and for the computer. I will ask the technical department to generate the code under your name, okay?
Oh, good on you.
Once they provide you the code, you need to put that code on that white panel where it's asking for, okay?
Beauty. All right, mate.
And after that, you need to put that code and click on connect definition, okay?
Yeah.
Yes. After provide on that code, okay? And after that, our engineers will upload a software warranty in the computer. Okay? And
Okay.
they will download the software in the computer. Who will scan the computer and check it out that how many progress in the each part of the computer, okay?
Here he goes, continuing to build the debt. He spent quite a bit of time explaining about this code, even that he needs to get it from the legal department. And now he's talking about not only updating the software, but also scanning the computer. This, of course, ties back to the earlier findings in the event log. So between extending my warranty and scanning for problems in the machine, I'm now racking up quite a debt. Let's see where he goes with it next.
They do with that each and every, once they do with that each and everything, our engineers will send you a registration form in your computer screen in which you need to fill it from your end, okay?
Beauty.
And on that form, you will get the username and the password in which you need to fill it from your end, okay? And this username and the password is given to your email ID as well, okay? To get back the warranty code in the computer. Alright, sir?
Yeah.
Once you do with that each and everything, our engineer will start work on the computer and they will rectify all the problems in the computer you are facing with the computer, okay?
Yeah, righto.
Alright? And from now onwards, once you get the code on the unit, from now on you don't have to pay a single penny either for the services and either for the profits for long years to come, okay?
This is actually the first time that money has come up in the entire scam call. And he's quite explicit. You don't have to pay a single penny for the services. But this is all part of the charade. And as you'll see shortly, he does then indeed try to charge me money. But again, misdirection in this fashion is another weapon of the social engineer. He's leading me to believe that this is a free service, which is what someone might reasonably expect to get from Microsoft after buying one of their products. But is it really free? Let's see.
You will get the services and the software absolutely. Whenever you face any types of problem with the computer, just ring us in our helpline number and our engineers provide the services and the software. I believe that you have got the helpline numbers, right?
Yeah, mate, I got your number.
So they will provide you the services and the software absolutely free of cost, okay?
Here he's reiterated, they will provide you the services and the software absolutely free of cost. There's a lot of focus on free.
If you have any other mobile devices with you like printer, scanner, digital camcorder, iPhone, that you have taken care of ingenious, okay? If you are planning to buy a new computer or if you have the other computer apart from this, that you have taken care of ingenious, okay? You will get the services on that computer as well absolutely free of cost. So from now onwards, you will get the services on the computer as well absolutely free of cost for long years to come, okay? Once you reactivate the warranty code in the computer, okay?
Yeah, righto.
There's nothing to pay a single penny, neither for the services and neither for the software, okay? You will get each and everything absolutely free of cost, alright?
And again, reiterating the free of cost component of this service. There's a huge amount of focus on the fact that this thing doesn't cost any money. Until that is, it does cost money. If it's free, then that's okay by me.
Yeah, as the software warranty is expired in the computer, you need to reactivate the warranty code in the computer and that is going to do it from your end. For the reactivation of the warranty code, you just have to pay $160 annually. It's only one-time payment of $160, okay?
So, alright.
And you don't have to you don't have to provide me any of your personal details over the phone. As I told you, you will get the form on your computer screen in which you will fill it from your end, okay?
That $160 a year, is that my Windows warranty?
Sorry?
So is that the warranty for my Windows, is it?
Yeah, it's a warranty software key guard, okay? The
Ah,
software
right,
warranty computer key guard, okay?
Okay.
And it's only one-time payment and you don't have to provide me any of your details over the phone as we are not authorized to ask any of the personal details, okay?
Okay, so
you're
there's...
going to get the code under your name and after that you will get the username and you will get the form on your computer screen in which you will fill it from your end, okay?
And there it is, the cost. There had to be a cost to the service. That's the entire reason the scam exists. The social engineer ultimately needs to capitalize on their effort, and that's done by paying the warranty. Now, that made me a little bit curious. If it's a Windows warranty, I wonder if I could just pay Microsoft directly. Okay, so do I pay that warranty to Microsoft or?
Yeah.
So, okay, so all right, so do I just call Microsoft and do it?
Sorry?
So this is I'm just trying to understand, mate. It's the warranty for my Microsoft Windows. So does the warranty go to Microsoft? Does it?
Yeah.
Okay.
As we are the service provider of Windows operating system, we take care of all the users of Windows operating system all over the world, okay? So you don't have to worry about it, okay?
He ends by obviously rebutting my approach to pay Microsoft directly and also attempting to put my mind at ease that they are the Windows partner and clearly they should be the ones collecting the money. By now, the social engineer has put a lot of work into convincing me that I should pay him for this key as well as for other services he provides me a little later on. Let me now jump forward a little bit to where he's loaded some free software onto my PC and is now attempting to clean the errors.
Now leave them out. My engineers will scan the computer. They will download a software to scan the computer, okay?
Beauty. My computer is now controlled by the social engineer, who goes off and downloads some free software to begin the scan. Let's jump forward to where they're actually running it.
The scanning hasn't started, right?
Yeah. I wonder if it'll find anything.
Okay, not a problem.
With the scan now running, we wait several minutes while the software scans the system for very basic configuration-related issues. The scanning process takes some time, so I've let that run and then jumped back into the video where I decided to ask the social engineer just a very simple question. There's nearly 4,000 fragmented files here. What's a fragmented file?
The fragmented file, there's the files used there in the computer, okay? Maybe the minor one, all that. You can check it out over there. It's written over there. Different hard disks to improve PC performance, right?
Yeah, right.
These are all the hardware problems, okay?
Huh.
These are the hidden ones, okay? So you can check it out over here, right?
Yeah.
So right now you can see that there are so many problems we have found. So you need to identify all the problems in the computer, okay?
Yeah.
So not a problem. Once you do with that each and everything, our engineers will start working with the computer and they will rectify all the hidden problems and they will remove all the corrupted software with the new one, okay? So right now you are going to get the register form in you in which you created from your end, okay?
Right.
You created from your end. So you will get the form on your computer screen.
And finally, with his victim now well and truly indebted, it's time to present them with the registration form. Let's move on and have a look at what happens then.